Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you could edit your video using the Windows free video editor. Let us begin. First of all, what you need to do is find the video editor itself. So let's click on the Windows icon and then type video. So there it is, the video editor app. Okay, let's click it. And then as you can see that I've been using this video editor for quite a while for my video project. So for the purpose of this demo, we're going to start with a blank project. So let's click on new video project. And the application will ask us to create a title for the project. Let's say that the title is Demo Win 10 Video Edit. Let's click OK. Now, this is the layout of the video editor. As you can see that there are three sections. All right, let me explain briefly about these three sections. Now the first section is the project library. Now this is where you import your video that you want to edit. This part is the playback. Now the playback section lets you preview on the edited video before you finish editing. The storyboard is where the magic happens. This is where you mostly edit your video. This is where the editing process happens, right? Now let's import the videos. All right, click add. Since I'll be taking the files from my laptop, so I'm going to click from this PC, and then I'm going to choose the videos that I'm going to edit. So all three of them I'm going to use, so I'm going to highlight all three of them and click open. Then it will add the files into the project library. Alright, there you go. Now the next step that we're going to do, we're going to add a title to the video. So what I do is click add title card and then click right, go to edit, go to text, and then create a title. Since the video is focusing on unboxing a gaming controller, so I'm going to type unboxing gaming controller. Okay, now I'm going to choose a animated text style, so let's choose this one, and I'm going to choose a layout. Let's say the layout is like this, and then choose the color of the black background. Go to background and choose a color, let's say pale rust. Click on it. Oops, what happened? And then click done, and there you go. You already have the title of your video. Now the next step that we're going to do is drag these video into the storyboard, but what you have to do is decide which one goes first. Let's say that this is going to be the first one, this is going to be the second one, and this one is going to be the last one. All right, okay. Now as you can see in the playback that the duration of the video is 1 minute and 36 seconds. The next process that I normally do is try to edit the footage that I'm going to edit through certain tools. Now the first tool that I'm going to use is the trim tool. Now what it does, it cuts a section out of the video. Right? Let's say I'm going to trim this footage. Right? Let's click it and then click trim. And then let's say that I'm going to trim only this part of the video, so it starts from here and it ends in here. All right, okay, and click done. Before you click done, as you can see that the footage was 43 seconds. Now once you've already trim it, it will only be around 19 seconds. Okay, let's click done, and there you go. Okay, it's already trimmed. All right, now the next tool that I'm going to use is the split tool. Now the split tool splits the video in two. Now for example, I'm going to choose this footage. All right, click split. All right, now I'm going to split this video in two for the purpose of for me to put a text on a certain clip, since I don't want the other clip to have a text, so I'll just split it in two. So as you can see, I will need to decide in which part that I'm going to split the footage. So let's say in here. So clip 1 will start from here and it ends in here, and clip 2 will begin in here and it will end in this part. Okay, all right, and then you click done, and there you go. You already have two clips already from one footage, right? So it's split in two. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that, since I'm not going to use the background music or the background audio of this video, what I normally do is mute all of the video. Okay, like this. So you click the sound icon. Okay, and then afterwards you will need to choose a background music. So there are two selection. One is the background music. The background music is a pre-installed option of music that you can use. Let's say for example I'm going to use this one. Okay. And what you could do with this section is, besides choosing the background music, you could also sync your video to the music's beat. So what it does is it creates the video into the duration of the music. Let's say the music is only around 2 minutes, so the video will automatically sync to the music's duration, right? But I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to just cancel it and choose another option, which is using the custom audio. Now in the custom audio, I've already selected which background music that I have chosen, so I'm going to click add the audio file and then find the music background folder. Okay, and choose this music. Now, since I'm going to use this music for the entire video, so I'm going to stretch it till the end of the video and click done. All right, now let's take a look. Now the next thing that we could do is add certain elements. All right, as you can see here in this section, we've already used the trim, we've already used the split, we've already used the text. Now let's use the motion element. So the motion element lets you choose different style of camera motion. Let's say I'm going to pick a footage for the motion and then go to motion. So as you can see, you could choose several options of the camera motion. Let's say I'm going to zoom out center, right? And then you click done. And there you go. And afterwards, you could also add a 3D effect. Let's say I'm going to use this footage to add a 3D effect. Don't forget to click the footage and then click 3D effects. And then it might take a while. And then since I want to have a scenery where as if I was doing a live streaming gaming. So I'm going to choose this effect, which is the live 3D effect. I'm just going to drag it here and then adjust the size of the 3D effect and just put it here, and let's click done and see what happens. Now after the 3D effect, okay, you might need to change the the color grading of the video. So what I normally do is select a filter. Now the filter is based on your preference. Now I usually like this filter, which is the iceberg. So you click the filter of your choice and then you click done, and then there you have it. All of the clip is now changed into the selected filter, right? Now the last thing that you could do is add an end credit. So I would choose the same tool that I used when I created the title. So add title card, put it at the end of the footage and click right, go to edit, go to text. Let's say the text says directed by Andri Shafaat. Okay, now I'm going to change the background to black, go to text again, and let's use a different layout. Let's say this one. Okay, done. And there you have it. You've already finished editing. Don't forget to preview your video. Once you're satisfied with the video, go to finish video, click, and then you will have several options for the video quality. I usually select this one because this is recommended if you want to upload a YouTube video, right? And afterwards you click export. Okay, so there you have it. So that is how you could use the Windows 10 free video editor. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. All right, see you soon on my next video. Okay.